Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss the function definition explicitly. Let us take A and B, two non-empty sets. A function from A into B is a relation satisfying the condition for, uh, here the keyword is every. Every is the keyword. For every element in the domain, that is A belongs to A, there is a dash B belongs to B. Here one more keyword is there, that is unique B belongs to B. Then only such that these order pairs are there in function. More explicitly, if you talk, F maps A to B is a function if and only if no two order pairs in F have same first element or X coordinate, then only it is function. Okay. Suppose if A comma A, order pairs are there, some order pairs are there in function, then we say F maps A into B, and here B is called image of A. B is called image of A, and how it is denoted? It is denoted with the letter F of A. F of A equal to B. The set of all images of the element A is the range we will call range of F, and it is denoted with F of capital A. Okay. Here, to know whether it is function or not, we can do vertical line test. See, you can draw every vertical line. We could draw to the curve, but it will cut the curve at only once or at most once. Then only it is a function for every line, for every vertical line. It should cut the curve at only one place. Then only it is function. Now we'll illustrate some examples so that we'll get more clarity. Okay. See, first order pairs how they are: -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, x, x, 2, 4. Clearly, the x maps to x square. You can write in another way also. This F1, you can write it contains all order pair such that y equal to x square. Okay. If you try to draw the graph also, it will be like this, a parabola. Y equal to x square. See, if you do any vertical line test, if you draw any vertical line, it will intersect at only one point. It is a function. Okay. Next, if you write the inverse of this relation, 4, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, x, x, 4, 2. See, here x maps to x, root x. Okay, here see, the problem is there, see, because the first elements are repeating. We are also repeating. So this we cannot have, see. This, if you won't take these things, then it is a function. Range, we cannot have negative numbers. If you take any negative number, square root of negative numbers does not exist now. So if you, these two, this some order pairs if you remove, then we can get y equal to root x as a function. Range, you cannot take negative numbers. Okay. Next, another example, see 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, see. Here x maps to 3, see. You can write this function like this also. It contains order pair such that y equal to 3. Okay. Y equal to 3 or f of x equal to 3. See, here it is a constant function, see. For all x belongs to domain. F of x equal to 3. It is a constant function, see. And if you talk about range of f, okay, this function, it is 3 only. Constant function will see. Only one element, singleton set we are having. Okay. If you try to draw the graph, what happens? So like this, it will be y equal to 3. It is a function. Okay. Next, you see, if you write the inverse of this, what happens? 3, comma 1, 3, comma 2, 3, comma 3, 3, comma 4. Here, all first elements are repeating. Second coordinate elements, y coordinates are same, not a problem. But x coordinate, it cannot repeat. It is not a function at all. This is not a function because all first elements are repeating. So here you can't have a vertical line. See, vertical line, that means x equal to 3 is not a function. Not a function. Okay, here it makes 90 degrees with x-axis. Suppose some line is there which make at least some variation is there. This side 89 degrees. Okay, then also it is functions. Okay, it is a linear function. 90 degrees it can't have. 90 degrees means vertical line, exact vertical line you will get. On vertical line means all x coordinates will be same. Then it is not a function. Okay, last one more example we'll discuss. 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3, 4, comma 4, 5, comma 5. See, this is what kind of function it is. It contains all ordered pairs such that y equal to x. It is identity function. To try to draw the graph, it will be like this. See. Y equal to x. It contains order pair like 2, comma 2, 1, comma 1, 0, comma 0. Not only that this side if you come in quadrant 3, it will contain order pairs like minus 1, comma 1, minus 2, comma 2. And if you write the inverse also, if you interchange x and y coordinates, then you'll get inverse. Then also you'll get the same order pairs. Then what you can say? Identity function is its own inverse. See. Okay, what and all we have discussed. Function we have discussed more explicitly. See. Okay, more explicit way, and see how implicitly function can be defined means it is a special relation. We'll give in the description. You can see that. Okay, thanks for watching.